Today we would learn about a new physical quantity called as density. So what is density? Density is the ratio of mass divided by volume. That means density's formula is mass upon volume. So how could we realize the significance of the density in our day-to-day life without taking help from the mathematics? Okay. If we consider a standard space, unit space, I would call it as, say, 1 cm this is 1 cm, 1 cm, okay, and also this is 1 cm. See this. So we took a cube having 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth and 1 centimeter height. This is a cube. Now if we add some substance, any substance, say salt or sugar or water, then how much mass we could add in this 1 cm by 1 cm by 1 cm cube? That is called as the density of the substance taken in gram per cm cube. Now if I add some substance in this cube, so this is the substance I have added in this cube. And it is fully packed. Okay. That means at least intentionally I have not left any space empty. Then I would weigh this substance added in this 1 cm by 1 cm cube. Suppose if m is the mass, then I would say that the density of the substance I took in this cube is equal to m gram per cm cube. So in this manner we could measure the density in CGS system. In MKS system, I am not drawing a properly scaled diagram. See, in MKS system, just replace this cube by 1 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. So replace this cube by 1 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. That means length, breadth and thickness each is by 1 meter by 1 meter. So this is the cube I have drawn. Now this is 1 meter length, 1 meter height and 1 meter breadth. If I add some substance in this 1 meter by 1 meter cube, and if it weighs say capital M kg, then the density of that substance would be capital M kg per meter cube. So in this manner we found the density in two systems of unit. In CGS system, unit of density is gram per cm cube, that is gram by cm cube. This is the unit in CGS system. This can be also written as G cm raised to minus 3. And in MKS system, the unit of density is kg by meter cube, or simply written as kg m raised to minus 3. So these are the two units of density in two different systems of units, CGS and MKS. Now let us study the relationship between these two units, how to convert one system of unit density into other system of unit density. So let 1 gram per cm cube is equal to x kg per meter cube. Okay. So I would write here 1 gram means 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg, because I have converted this gram into kg. 10 raised to minus 3, you know that 1 upon 1000. Then cm cube, I would write here 10 raised to minus 2 meter into 10 raised to minus 2 meter into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. This is equal to x kg per meter cube. Or I can write here, instead of x, I would substitute here 1 kg per meter cube, and here I would write into x. Okay. This is 10 raised to minus 2. Now 1 kg per meter cube is equal to x into gram per cm cube, say. So this becomes 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg upon 10 raised to minus 6 m cube is equal to 1 kg per meter cube, say x. Now using the laws of indices, you can bring this 10 raised to minus 6 in the numerator. You would get 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg upon, into 10 raised to 6. Into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 1 kg per meter cube. So this becomes x into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. This is equal to 1 kg per meter cube. So kg per meter cube is common, cancel out. So x is equal to, how much is your value now? 1 upon 10 raised to 3. The value of x is 1 upon 10 raised to 3. So in this manner we found the conversion factor. So I can write here now with the proper conversion factor as 1 kg per meter cube is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 gram per cm cube. So which density is bigger? Gram per cm cube is bigger than kg per meter cube. Okay. So 1 kg per meter cube is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 gram per cm cube. So this is the conversion factor we found between the MKS system and CGS system. Okay. And similarly we can write here 1 gram per cm cube. I would write here 1 gram per cm cube. 1 gram per cm cube is equal to 10 raised to 3 times kg per meter cube. That means if you want to convert the density in kg per meter cube into gram per cm cube, then you multiply it by 1000 If you want to convert the gram per cm cube density into kg per meter cube, then divide it by 1000. Okay, so this is in this manner 10 raised to 3, that is 1000 is the conversion factor between CGS density and MKS density. You could understood this. After learning about the definition of density, we would try to solve some numerical problems, numericals based on this calculation of density. Let us see. So, density is equal to mass upon volume. This one formula gives us three formulas, three different. Volume is equal to mass upon density, and mass is equal to volume into density. So, we got three formulae. Okay, so volume is equal to mass upon density, mass is equal to volume upon density in this manner. So, the first numerical I am writing here is it has been found that five kg of charcoal powder could be stored in the cuboid of length 3 meter, breadth 2 meter and height 0.5 meter. How much is the density of this charcoal? Charcoal means the black substance we get after burning, partial burning of some substance. Charcoal may be formed by burning wood, may be formed by burning coconut, etc., etc. Okay, I would say that incomplete burning results in the black substance called as charcoal. At least I am expecting this in this problem. So, we have to find out the density of this kind of charcoal. Mass is given as 5 kg and volume is equal to L into B into H, that is 3 into 2 into 0.5. So, it would give me 3 meter cube. Therefore, density is equal to mass upon volume. So, this is equal to 5 upon 3. What would be the unit? Kg per meter cube. So, this is the density of the charcoal. Okay.